So we are back, and I'm gonna instill the saying of that pink concrete. Oh, there. This is the, oh my god. This is
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Is there's a lake here? Please help me. I'm drowning. Ah!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh goodness.
I hate ads! I hate Shopee and Lazada.
I hate us.
I just wanna let you know I don't wanna see you go. Go ahead and leave me.
Don't tell me.
Sorry guys. Sorry guys, I'm lagging, so I'm back.
Yeah, we're back.
My Miku.
My Miku.
Miku. Oh no 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 no. Yeah. You don't you
It's been.
Yana. Are you? Oh my gosh. A villager spawn here. A villager spawn on the netherite.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, iron! Oh my god! I spawn!
Look at this. Iron. Iron.
Bro.
I got iron. Bro. Oh my god, there's a lightning. You saw that?
No?
See, I just wanna let you know that I don't wanna see you go. Go ahead and leave me hanging, wishing you're new for.
I swear. Because wow. I need this pencil to go up there. And I'm back. I will go to my house, lovely house. Let's
I
go
need
to
some
my house.
food! I need some food!
Oh my god, there's a lightning. Where's my house?
No. Bro, you destroy it.
No.
Yana, I'm going to tell you something real. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Why did you?
Momo.
Don't hit me that. I'm not a pillager. Oh, another pillager.
No. Destroy me.
Sorry.
I have no items.
Here, have my axe. Have my diamond axe. Wait. Sorry, guys.
I will not join your server.
Plus.
No. No.
I will give you anything.
No.
What?
You 凶王请干嘛
You.
You
You what?
destroy. You kill me. Now I'm not going to server again.
Because you hit me like a pillager.
Oh my god, stop! Bruh.
Why?
Bruh, I like this.
I got this ice cream. I'm rich.
I need to fix this already. I I need bro.
My inventory is trash. Bro, guys, is angry. Why are you barking? Are you so stupid? I knew it! Get out of my house. You stinky.
Help me, Minecraft. You everything you do, and I'm angry.
I need to eat a bread before sleeping at night.
No, I need some biobank.
Oh, good night. Sweet dreams. Oh, there we go. I need some bread so I didn't get some damage. You know, I need some axe too for fighting, and I need to grab that iron in there. So let's get it. Oh, there's a here like this. Here. And it is, yeah,
Yeah, I'm
thanks.
going to.
Emerald and iron.
I need
Treasure.
inventory. I will build something. This ghostly thing in my inventory. Please check and subscribe so I can find it. Thank you.
Ow. Ow. Ah, I have.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Bro.
Diba? Kabubuhan mo. Diba?
Sorry for that, guys.
Sorry,
Bad
guys.
word. Sorry.
Because Daddy is saying something that is bad words.
Bad words, yeah.
Sorry, guys. Don't say
Sorry.
that.
Don't say that, kids, okay?
Or you will get palo. Like
In
just
in your yeah,
in your
that's
in
bad
your
words.
room.
Yeah,
or
yeah, yeah.
in your going.
In concrete. Bye, guys. See you. Bye.